Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. So first of all, open the Binance application or the Binance website. If you are using the Binance app, then all you want to do is go to the bottom left and click on home. If you are using Binance Lite, just click on sort of bottom on the left hand side in the bottom. Then what you want to do is go to the top left. You can see these four sort of squares. Just tap on it. And to do this on a computer, you just go to the top right and click on your profile icon, and then you can go and tap on this settings. Scroll down your settings until you see others, and then go and click on security. And in security, we can then go to two-factor authentication, and we've got the option here for authentication app, and this is also known as Google Authenticator. So click on there, and then what we can do is go and click on enable like this. Firstly, you are going to be sent a verification code to your email, so let's go and grab that now. After you finish that verification, you will be taken to a page which says link an authenticator, and we get given the step here. So firstly, make sure you've got the authenticator app on your phone. I have already got it here. If you haven't, go open the App Store or Play Store and get it, but I will open mine now. What you need to do is click on plus button. For me, it's in the bottom right, and then click on this scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Because I am doing this all on my phone, I will do the setup key option. And then what you need to do is go back to Binance, go and get the key which we are given. The key is one at the top. What you can do is just go and click on copy like that, and it will copy to your clipboard, and then go back to the authenticator. You can then paste the key in, and what you can do is you can go and name this so Binance, just like this. And then all you need to do is go and click on add. Then the authenticator code will be added to this list here. Then come back to Binance, you can go and click on next. Now you just need to go and get the authenticator app code and paste it in here. After you have done that, you can go and press on submit, and just like that, we now go on and added our authenticator app, and as you can see, it's added. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.